We are in Clara's room today. She just turned 8 and it just really needs some decluttering, some organizing, and I thought while we're here we could make this sort of an arts and crafts station because our kid cabinet got taken over by soccer stuff, and so I thought she could have it all right here. So first we have to clean. Do you trust me to clean your room and organize it?
Well, you may throw away some things.
Yes. What are the things that I am not allowed to throw away?
My hula hoop.
Hula hoop, okay.
My stuffies.
Which ones?
Every single one.
Oh, you need all the baby dolls?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we could give a couple away?
No.
Okay.
One. Maybe one.
Okay, and anything else can go?
Why did you say so excitedly? I'm not sure about that.
All right, you have fun at your friend's house.
Wait, no!
Here. Time to go.
No, they're not here.
Bye.
They're not
It's
here.
gonna be fun. You're gonna love your
No.
new surprise room. Every 6 months or so, Clara's room really needs some organizing, decluttering. She loves little plastic things, as little girls do. So what I'm thinking this time around is to change this shelving system into her own little art center. She loves arts and crafts. And here in the dining room, this used to be like sort of our kid craft center with homework and stuff, but now it's kind of turned into soccer cubbies. So I'm gonna take these things down where she can't reach them. And I've got some great containers that I'm gonna organize everything in, and we're gonna surprise her. First things are from Amazon. This is I have to put it together. It holds different kinds of paper that stack on top of each other. This is for acrylic paints, some journals, magazines, books, things like that. And I thought that this would be great. It's for jewelry, but I thought it'd be great for beads and little crafts like that. I found this at Ross for just a few $6. I might use that, I'm not sure. And then these spinny things are from Target. And I got 2 of those for glue, scissors, all the things. And I love these boxes for sets. Things like, I mean, we literally have paint by number over here, which is so fun. So maybe something like that can go in one of these boxes. And then I thought this would be great for her desk for her colored pencils and markers. Her closet still doesn't look too bad. I did that not too long ago. I did a video on that and it stayed pretty well. She has a place for swim, leotards, soccer. These are her dresses and then costumes, so that's working pretty well. Her desk, I'm gonna keep kind of the same. You know, she needs a couple drawers for all her little plastic junk stuff. But I'm gonna go through those things. And dolls, like this doll doesn't even have legs, so I have to go through that. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I think I'll take all the stuffies out first. Oh. I think I'm gonna find a nightstand table for her to go where the Christmas tree is, and then this stuff can go there. I'm coming in with the trash bag. Dirty. And we probably have too much furniture in here, but she doesn't want to get rid of her pink chair. Time for the Christmas tree to come down. Hope I'm not going to get in trouble for this. Okay, I'm gonna put the robot vacuum on this detail, affectionately known as Mr. Roboto. Okay. Oh, it's going that way. Oh dear, okay. I'll be back. I've worked up a sweat. I'm gonna go ahead and run the robot vacuum again because, well, that was pretty dirty. I'm gonna wipe down the shelves, take everything off, and kind of see how this is gonna be. And then we have some stuffies and a few extra things that I'll have to see what I'm gonna do with. Okay, so everybody else fit in here. I'm gonna use this as a nightstand. I took the basket that was on the top shelf here as a backdrop. And I'm gonna put the nightlight and sound machine there. So I won't have to buy anything new, and they can use what I have and kind of use it as organization as well. This is her memory box, and she keeps all her sweet little things and birthday cards and mementos in here, but she's quickly outgrowing it, so I'm just gonna put these things in here so we have room to grow. I don't wanna make her throw out her sentimental things from her friends. Now it's time for the fun part. Finally, we're gonna put the art supply. She's gonna be home, I don't know, in half an hour. So I'm gonna put the art supplies and all this and then poke it in the shelf and hope that it looks great and hope that she loves it. Yikes. This is a lot more stuff than I thought it was. Now they want to do a drawing. I finished your room.
What does it look like?
I threw away all your stuffies. I painted
I
the
told you
pink.
to throw away. No.
I painted the
Stuffies.
pink chair black,
Okay, you're lying right now.
and I painted the mural with all the birds blue.
Wait, did you? No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. Okay. Still drying your sheets.
Here, let me see it. Wait, what?
It's your own like craft center. And so you can have it all in here instead of at the top of the kid cabinet. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You like it?
So it's in here.
I like this.
And we're gonna buy some construction paper in different colors for that. Won't that be fun?
Yeah, because I don't.
You don't like black, I know.
This is fun. No. Before you do.
Oh, you did?
I like these.
Oh, yeah.
And oh, you put. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks. Color pencils. I've been looking for those. Yes, I can just grab them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so happy you like it. You wanna check out your drawers, see if I did too much damage?
Wait, what? She threw away all this stuff. Yeah, I like this stuff.
Okay.
She threw away all the other puzzles.
So we have like some earrings and then jewelry and then your little prayer things.
Let's see what's in this drawer.
Little containers and sunglasses. So what do you think about this? Look over here. I put your nightstand. I made that like a nightstand. I put the tray on there and then so that way you have more space on your desk.
What do you say, Clara?
I love it.
The Christmas tree's coming back.
Nice try.
Nice try. All right, I'll do it. Yeah. So you know how you have your memory box and it was getting really full because you have so many sweet memories in there. So I made it the bottom box.
Wait, that?
Yeah, so you can put all your cards, all your
Wait,
sweet things
Did
in
you put all
there.
my stuff in there?
Yeah,
Can I see?
yeah.
Did that. Got it.